How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, you get notified. So in this video, I'll be walking you through how to apply for ABSA personal loan or business loan. So this is their official website, which is absa.com.co.za. Sorry. So on this particular page, I'm going to provide a link to this page in the description of this video below, so you can see apply for a home loan, get pre-qualified loan, and continue your application if you already have application process on this platform. And of course, you can also track your application to see if your loan application is approved or not. And on this top right here, you can also see different features from credit cards, loans, invest, insurance, and reward. Sorry. So there are a lot of features which of course you can also check into, and then you will be able to discover if you will be able to apply for a loan based on what you need on this platform. I've actually talked a lot today, making different kind of videos, so sorry about the voice. So I'm going to scroll down to also show you or explore you to different features on ABSA loan process. So I'm currently on their personal loan page, and if I want to navigate to the business section, I'm going to click on these particular features. So you can also do that just as the way you want it, and you can also calculate your loan in order to know how much you'll be able to borrow on this platform and what the interest rate will be if you are borrowing for a certain period of time. You can get up to 5,000 cashback from ABSA reward when you register your home loan from this particular page once you click on apply now. And if you scroll down, you're going to see some other features, which of course, if you are just buying your first home, you can also apply for a loan on this particular platform. You'll also explain how to apply for the loan and to know much about the personal loan or home loan, which of course you want to apply for. And scrolling down, you can also get in touch to know much about the private bank. If you are a first home buyer, you also need to understand all these features, which of course they explain on the website, so you can know how to go about it and what kind of loan you would literally interested, or what kind of loan they actually offer on ABSA platform. You can also read some of the articles they have actually gathered regarding how you can actually be able to proceed on getting a loan from this platform. So now, if you want to apply for a loan, all you just need to do is just click on apply for your home loan here, or if you want to apply for a loan for personal use, you can also click on that. So on this page, you're gonna see different features on how you can apply for a loan on this particular page. So let's wait while this page loads so you can see what is inside of this page. All right, so you can see online application process for ABSA loan. So you can see, let's get started. So all you just need to do, what would you like to do? So you can select on this option A, then you can select buy a home, build a home, buy vacant land, switch my home loan to ABSA. Then you can also see some other features, access fund from ABSA home loan. So just select the best one that suits you, then you can proceed on to the next one, which is how will you be applying. So you can select this drop down, say by myself, with one or more people, through a business or through a trust. You can select on by myself, then you can say please confirm and give your consent for the following. I am not currently insolvent, receiving debt, counseling, or have a pending debt review, or insolvency application. So you can see ABSA will use my personal data only to provide me with the service or product that I am applying for. I have read the privacy statement. So once you read that, you have to check mark this box. So once you do that, this page will also enable you to click on let's start. So on that page, you'll be able to apply for a loan with ABSA without any difficulty. So that is all you need to do in order to get started on applying for a loan from ABSA. So you can also see this particular page which asks for uh tell us about the property you would like to buy or build. So you can see, do you have a detailed code from a builder registered with the NHBRC. So you can select all the right option that suits you. Then once you're done, you're gonna put in the land address here and you can click on continue. So this is a process on how you can actually apply for ABSA loan, and trust me, you'll be able to get a loan. And once you are done with the application, you can also track your application process, just like I said earlier on. So that is how it works and how to apply for a loan from the platform. If you have any other question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I will try as much as possible to provide an answer to that. Thank you.